Hello stars, welcome back to my channel Star Makings. Today's tutorial is on how to make Taylor Swift blank space cake. Okay, it is a cake and it has a heart with a blood pouring out of it once you stab it. So guys, I did this and I am here to show you how to do it too. First and foremost, you must have your cake. I don't know, it's always done in a heart-shaped cake, so I am not about to change that. And then you need to cut off that part where you're putting your heart. Of course, this heart is a balloon with blood filled in it. After filling in your heart in there, you need to cover it up with your frosting completely, because we're not about to let people know that this cake has a heart, are we? It's a secret. Either way guys, after covering it up, I went ahead to cover my cake fully. This is the final layer, as you can see. So before you put your heart, you need to crumb coat your cake. After that, I'm just smoothing it out because the cake needs to look pretty and normal. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate your subscribe, so please do that. And also I have a tutorial on how to make edible blood, so do check that out also if you have no idea how I make my edible blood. Of course it's edible blood, it's not real blood. I proceeded to write on the cake, which I am very bad at. I am the worst at writing on a cake. But I'm not about to give that up because I need to write what I want to write on this cake. Normally people just write blank space on it, but I want to write something different. I am going for big 15 or not, because this is a birthday cake and it is my birthday cake. And of course I'm not 15, but I feel 15 guys. Either way, this is just my chronicles of writing and wiping out. You cannot be good at it all guys. I always love to see people write on cake because I don't know how to do that. Look at me. God help me. Either way guys, I also have a tutorial on how to make your circle cake into a heart-shaped cake, so do check that out also. If this cake and this tutorial was so helpful to you guys, please do not forget to comment down below in the comment section. And this decoration is because all blank space cake I've seen has a vintage cake decoration, and I am not about to change that also. So we are making it a vintage cake and just making it look all pretty, because this cake has to be so normal that people don't think there is something wrong with it. Of course, after decorating it, I went ahead and added some sprinkle and some golden edibles on the cake to make it look prettier. As you can see, you can swear nothing is in this cake. And it is time to cut that heart open. Let's stab it. Okay guys, this is it. Wow, totally worth it. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you next time.